In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to Shopify. Full tutorial 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring an interactive map into your store using a simple, code-free approach. Make sure you're logged in as a store admin before you begin. Start by opening your Shopify Admin. From the main dashboard, look toward the top of the page for the universal search bar. This is the fastest way to navigate without digging through menus. Click into that search field and type the word highlight. We're using this keyword to surface the tool we'll use to add a map section to your theme. When the results appear, select the option labeled Section. This takes you to the Section Library app you'll need. On the app page, click Install. Shopify will show you the standard permissions prompt. Take a moment to review it so you know what the app can access, then confirm. The installation only takes a moment, and when it's done, you'll land inside the app. Next, click Explore Sections. This is where you browse ready-made content blocks you can add to your storefront. In the app's own search field, type Highlight again. This keyword filters the available sections and brings up the design we're looking for. When you see the highlighted result that matches what you searched for, click it to open the details. You'll get a quick preview and a short description so you can confirm it's the right fit for displaying your map. You'll now see pricing options. Click the one marked $9 to proceed. If the app offers a prompt like Better Deal, go ahead and click that to compare your options. Many stores prefer a one-time purchase, so there's nothing to maintain month after month. To follow that route, select No Recurring Fees. This keeps your costs predictable and avoids subscriptions while still unlocking the section you need. From here, the app will guide you to add the new section to your theme. Follow the prompts on screen to place it where you want it to appear, such as a contact page or your home page. As you configure it, keep your location details accurate and consistent with what customers see elsewhere on your site. If you customize colors or spacing, match your brand styles so the map feels native to your design. It's a good idea to preview the section on both desktop and mobile to check readability and tap targets. That's all you need to get the map section into your Shopify store without touching code. If anything in your admin looks slightly different, don't worry. Labels can vary by theme and updates,